Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna install this splitter that I got from Temu onto my Corsa. Before installing the splitter, I aligned it with my bumper, but it is too wide. So what I'm gonna do is, this is how it sits originally. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna fit it somewhere here so that it fits my car. So let's get started. Where are the tools now? Oh, by the way, this is my collection. If you want to see more, just comment down below.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time.
I managed to drill 2 holes onto the splitter, but now the problem is the slot that fits in the front has a part which is installed here. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna slit this and put a double-sided tape on it and fasten it on this. I think that should work because it's an Corsa, so it takes 0 to 60 takes like 2 to 3 business days, so I think it's fine. So yeah, so instead of fastening it from the bottom, what I decided is to remove these tabs and just screw it like that from the top. It would be much easier. It won't look as clean, but it's a much easier job. So let's get started. So this is the final result. Looks fine to me. Not too bad. So let's start the installation process now. This is how the splitter will look on the car. Before installing it, I will have to clean the surface, as I will be using double-sided tape and also these screws which I got with the splitter. So yeah, I will be jacking up the car for a better access, and let's see how does it goes. That's the pretty much look of the car. I think it looks sick.
Golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time. Luxury written in time. Puerto Banús, lights below.
So this is the final look of the car after installing the splitter. It's been a month since I have installed it. I've driven it on motorways at 70 miles per hour and there is no noise or any flapping sort of noise, anything like that. I scraped it couple of times as the vehicle is too low, but it's still intact. I installed side splitter as well and also added some livery. I hope you guys like it. At the end of the video, I will be putting the B-roll shots of the car. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.